guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you guys can see, not a normal day that I upload, but for some reason I just felt like uploading a new video. Probably because I'm doing a pouring that I've really been wanting to do for a while, and I figured I'd show you guys too. So yeah, this is gonna be super random and just fun. As you guys can see, it's Monday. I did not try to get ready at all. So we're just gonna have a little bit of fun, but oh, I just said the wrong intro. Hi, my beautiful blue babes. Welcome back to my channel. But you guys heard everything I just said. So, hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, all the good stuff. Or thumbs up. That is liking. Never mind. I just realized that. I think I say that all the time. Anyway, yeah, as you guys can see, I didn't really prepare for this, so hope you guys like it. I'm also testing out the new ring light that I made. If you want to see what it looks like, go check out my Instagram, link down below. But it does give like an orangey tint to it, so I might edit a little bit of that out, but anything, it does add a little more light, which I like. So yeah, if you guys want me to know, if you guys want to know how I made it, let me know, because I might do a video on it, because I do want to make another one with less orangey tone and more like white light. I think that'll be good. So let me know if you guys want to see that, because if so, I can make a video about it. But enough of me talking. Let's just get into the video. Okay, so, oh, also, as you guys can see, I got a tarp finally, which is so much easier. I don't know why I didn't do this before. But the colors I chose, of course, were Prussian blue, turquoise. I probably mixed a little bit of white in there, orange, white itself, and then black, which black is going to be the negative space. So I'm going to mix these real quick, and then I'll get back to you guys. But if you don't know, I put a little bit of paint in the bottom, then I add as much Floetrol as I want, and then a little bit of water. I probably will do an updated mixing thing soon, probably with a longer normal day video. So yeah. Alright, so we have all the colors mixed. Again, my black here is the most because it's going to be our negative space color. So that means it's going to go all over the canvas. I have a little bit of each color because I really don't want a lot of other color on the canvas. You'll see what I'm talking about. The orange ended up being a little more because I had to fix it. The consistency wasn't right. And then I have Prussian blue over there, which almost looks black perfectly how I love it. So I just realized though, because I'm filming this on my phone, especially since it was last minute, so I can't really set you guys up. I mean, I can try, but I might hold it, so we'll see. But I'm going to add all my colors into here. Honestly, again, I don't want a lot at all, so I probably will have extra left over, and maybe I'll just do like a mini canvas on the side, because you guys know I don't like wasting paint. But I'm just going to start off with the Prussian blue. That's a little clumpy. Okay, well, we'll just let it be. I'm going to do white. This is the one time that I wish I actually had some tinier cups, because now I have to clean all these jars out, and I'm really not using them that much, except, why is that one so clumpy? Except the black one. Like, honestly, that's a good amount of paint. I'm gonna get some more Prussian blue, because, you know, never can have too much. Guys, watch me end up putting too much paint in here for what I want. I always do this. That's also why I got a larger canvas. Alright, we're gonna leave it there. I don't know if you guys can really see it because my jars are so dirty, but you can see it's really not filled up that much. So, I'm gonna see if I can prop you guys up. If not, I'm gonna just hold you, because the tripod I had for my phone broke, which is great. So, let's see what we can do. Okay, so I just decided to switch over to my camera because, yeah, it's gonna be easier. So as you guys can see, I got the canvas here. Hopefully I mixed enough black paint, but the cup that I poured that has all the paints in it, I'm gonna do a flip cup method this time, and I'm gonna do it kind of, it's not really centered, a little off. And since these are heavier, I don't like leaving them too long on here, so we're just going to get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and pour all the black around it. I got my wipes here in case I need them. And this is an old canvas that I'd never really finished. But when I'm done here, I'm going to move it over to something that's a little more level. Oh, geez. I guess I didn't mix enough. That's great. Hold on. Wow, for once I mixed too little paint. This is bad though because it's making my thing sink. Let's see if we can spread this around a little bit. Oh my gosh, forget this. We're just gonna go in with the hands. I don't want my canvas sinking too much. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and open the cup, but I'm going to mix some more off of camera because I don't think there's enough paint on here. We'll see when I open this. Honestly, I put too much paint for what I wanted, but that's fine. I'm not really sure what I want to do with this part. Alright. I'm okay with that for now. Again, I really wanted something just full of negative space. So while this is still somewhat steady, I'm going to mix some black paint real quick and I'll come back to you guys. Alright, I have a little bit of extra black paint here and I'm going to just go in on the sides. I can't tell if it's thick or not. And I didn't pull out 2 pans because I didn't feel like it, but this canvas is a little bigger, so it's definitely dripping over. But I have my nice, lovely tarp now, so it's all good. I'm not using blankets that have the possibility to drip through. I don't want to pour too much because I don't really want to move it, and I want it to kind of end up level. I'm going to go in on this side. Alright, I'm done. I'm going to move back over to my other camera so you guys can see the final result. Alright, I'm done. As you guys can see, here's the final result. I really did want something with full of negative space and something really simple. I actually ended up adding a little too much paint than I thought, but I think the real idea I had will work better on a large canvas. But I'm actually really happy with this anyway, so I'll just get a close-up real quick. Turn it down so you guys can see it. Oh, that looks so good. Those cells. The orange actually didn't pop up as much as I thought, but I didn't put a lot in, so maybe that's why. And there's the completed look for you guys. If it focuses. Come on, phone. There you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and all that good stuff. Subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in my Friday video. Again, this was not my normal upload day, but I do want to start posting more throughout the week just to give you guys more content. And I also enjoy doing this a lot. So if my schedule allows it, hopefully I can. Maybe on Mondays, maybe not. We'll see. But again, I hope you guys liked it. And stay tuned for Friday's video. Bye, guys.